So what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. So in simple words, it is a method using which two computer programs communicate with each other. So let's understand API with the help of an example. So suppose we want to build a weather application in which user will enter the name of a city and our application will gonna display the current weather of that city. So to build this application we need weather data, and to get this data we can either use a weather platform like Open Weather app, or we can collect this data by ourselves. So as we cannot collect the data of every city by ourselves, so we can use this weather platform which collects the data from all the cities. So now from our application we are going to pass the name of city to this platform, and this platform will gonna return us the detail or weather detail of that city. So there will be a communication between our application and this platform to achieve that, and this communication is possible because of APIs. So to achieve that we are going to use the API provided by this platform. So in actual from our application we are going to hit a URL provided by this platform along with the city name, and hitting this URL is actually called making an API call. So when we say we are making an API call, then it means that we are hitting a URL from our application along with some data, and when that URL will be executed, the servers of that platform will gonna take the data from that URL and return the result based upon the URL. So when we are going to hit this URL, then the servers knows that they need to return the weather detail of this particular city, and once they are going to return the data we can read it and display it to the user as per our needs. So this is the whole process of making an API call. So when we are using an API of a platform, we are basically hitting some URLs with instructions provided by that platform, and hitting those URLs will gonna provide the data inside our application which we can display to the user on screen.